Good morning, student. Today we will discuss trick to find a bond order in more than 20 electrons molecule. So here we will applying a two trick. So trick 1, that is bond order is equal to 1 plus pi bond upon sigma bond, and trick number second is total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure upon total number of resonating structure. So first we are taking one example of carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. Now first we will draw the structure of CO3 2 minus. So one carbon is there and 3 oxygens. It's negative charge. So this is the structure of CO3 2 minus. So before we will discuss about the carbonate ion, first we will discuss about the sigma bond and pi bond. So let's see here, if A and B are the two atoms and between A and B only one bond, then bond order is 1. Between A and B two bonds are there, then bond order is equal to 2. And between A and B atom triple bonds are there, then bond order is equal to 3. Now we will discuss about the sigma bond and pi bond. In first example, A single bond B, then first bond we should consider as a sigma bond. Now in second structure, A double bond B, then first bond is sigma bond and the second bond is pi bond. Now if in this structure A triple bond B, then one bond is sigma bond and remaining two bonds are pi bond. So this is the knowledge about the sigma bond and pi bond. This is very useful in carbonate ion. Now we will apply this formula to find out the bond order. So we will find here bond order of CO3 2 minus. So bond order is equal to, so we will apply this first trick. In first trick, bond order is equal to 1 plus pi bonds. So if you will observe the structure of carbonate ion, in carbonate ion what happens? This is sigma bond, this is sigma bond, and this is sigma bond, and one bond is pi bond. So according to our trick 1, to find out the bond order is equal to 1 plus pi bond upon sigma bond. So in CO3 2 minus 1 plus total number of pi bond that is 1 upon sigma bond, total number of sigma bond that is 1, 2 and 3. So 1 plus 1 upon 3, simple calculation, 1 by 3, so 0.33. So 1 plus 0.33, so 1.33. So bond order of CO3 2 minus is 1.33. So this is the first trick. Now we will use the second trick, trick number 2. In trick number 2, bond order is equal to total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure upon total number of resonating structure. So first we will draw the resonating structure of CO3 2 minus. So first we will draw the C double bond O. This is oxygen. This is first resonating structure. So this is first resonating structure, this is second resonating structure, and this is my third resonating structure. In this trick we will use all the three resonating structure. What is my formula? To find out the bond order, total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure upon total number of resonating structure. Now we will calculate the bond order. So total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure. Now here we have to choose two atoms, but in all the three resonating structure we have to choose the same atom. So if suppose we will choose these two atoms, carbon and oxygen, in second resonating structure also carbon and oxygen, in third one also we will choose the carbon and oxygen. Here one point is very important, we have to choose any two atom, but in all the three resonating structure then we have to choose the same two atoms. So in first resonating structure this carbon and oxygen, in second resonating structure also we will choose the same carbon and oxygen, in third one also same carbon and oxygen. Now we will calculate the bond order. Bond order is equal to total, here we have to find the total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure. If we will observe the first structure, then what happened? The bond between carbon and oxygen, that is 1, so 1 plus. Now if we will observe the second structure, so bond between carbon and oxygen, here total is 2 plus. If we will observe the third structure, the bond between carbon and oxygen, that is 1 upon total number of resonating structure. So total number of resonating structure of CO3 2 minus, that is 1, 2 and 3, so upon 3. So here 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 is equal to 1.33. So bond order of CO3 minus 2 is also 1.33. So we will use either trick 1 or trick 2. In both the answer will be same. Here also bond order is 1.33 and here also bond order is 1.33. So we can say that we will derive this summary. So here bond order is 1.33. So 1.33. So this bond order is 1.33 greater than 1 and less than 2. So we can say that the C double bond O, this C double bond O is partially double bond. It is convert into single bond and double bond, single bond and double bond. So bond order is 1.33 is between 1 and 2. So 1.33 is greater than 1 and 1.33 is less than 2. So we can say that this is not exactly double bonding. If we will show the structure of the carbonate ion, then what happened, that this C double bond O is not completely double bond, it is partially double bond. Means what, all the three bonds, C bond O, C double bond O, C bond O, is exactly 1.33. So means what, here double bond is converted into single bond and single bond is also converted into double bond. So it is partially double bond and this is not completely single bond, it is partially single bond and this is partially double bond. So bond order is lying between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 means what, the bond order of carbonate ion, that is 1.33. Let we are taking one more example. Our formula will be same. Here we have 2 3, but let we are taking one more example. So we are taking example of benzene. For example, let's see, we are taking example of benzene. So first we will draw the resonating structure of benzene. This is my first structure. This is my second structure. So here let's see, this is the structure of benzene and we have 2 resonating structure. Now we will apply the trick 1. In this first we will calculate trick 1. In trick 1, what is my formula? Bond order is equal to 1 plus pi bond upon sigma bond. So first we will calculate the pi bond and sigma bond. If we will observe the structure of benzene, then what happen? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sigma bonds are there, and this is the pi bond. This is pi bond and pi bond. So number of pi bond in benzene, that is 3, and number of sigma bond in benzene, that is 6. Now bond order. So bond order is equal to, formula will be same. Bond order is equal to 1 plus pi bond upon sigma bond. So 1 plus number of total pi bond, that is 3, upon sigma bond. This is all this at the sigma bond. So 3 by 6. So 1 plus 1 by 2. So bond order will be 1.5. So in benzene the bond order is 1.5. This is first trick. Now we will apply the trick number second. In second trick also will be same. Total number of, this is my second trick. Let's see. Trick number second. Total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure upon total number of resonating structure. So we will calculate the bond order. So apply this formula. Bond order is equal to, now here total number of bond between two atoms in resonating structure. So we will choose the two atoms. So here we will choose these two atoms. This is this atom, first and second. So here also we have to choose the same atom, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. Now we will observe if this in this first resonating structure, the bond between these two atoms, 1 and 2, how many bonds are there? Double bond. This 1, this is second. So total number of bond in 2. And now if we will observe that this resonating structure, then what happened? The bond between these two atoms, first and second, only 1 is there. So 2 plus 1 upon total number of resonating structure of benzene, that is 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2, so is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to, answer will be 1.5. So answer will be here 1.5. So both answer will be same. So by using both the trick we will find the bond order. So if you will observe this bond order, then bond order will be 1.5. So it is in this range. So we can say that the bond order is greater than 1 and less than 2. So we will derive the conclusion. In benzene this is not exactly double bond, and this is not single bond. So we can say that this double bond is partially double bond, and single bond is also partially single bond. So what happened here? Single bond and double bond both are converting in each other. So in resonating structure we will obtain bond order is 1.5. So we will derive the conclusion. In benzene what happened? All the 6 C bond C sigma bond is 1.5. All the C bond C is 1.5. This is the average of 1 and 2. Let we are taking one more example. This is my example. Arrange the bond order. Here we have to arrange the bond order. An example are as follow: CO, CO2 and CO3 2 minus. Here we have three example: CO, CO2 and CO3 2 minus. We have to arrange all this molecule in bond order. So first we will draw the structure. For example, carbon monoxide, then C triple bond O. Second structure, this is my second structure, and third structure we have already learned, right? Now here what happened? Sigma and pi bond. So this is sigma bond, remaining two are pi bond. Sigma bond, sigma bond. This is pi bond, pi bond. Here sigma bond, sigma bond. This is sigma bond, this is pi bond. Now to find out the bond order, in CO, 1 plus 1 plus number of pi bond, number of pi bond, that is 2 upon sigma bond is 1, so 1 plus 2, answer will be 3. Now bond order in CO2, 1 plus number of pi bond, total number of pi bond in CO2, that is 2, and sigma bond, that is also 2, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. And bond order in CO3 2 minus, 1 plus number of pi bond, that is 1, and sigma bond is 3, so 1 plus, that we have already calculated, 1 plus 0.33, so 1.33. So if you will observe all the bond order, then which having more bond order and which having less bond order, so we can say that this is my CO. So CO having more bond order 3, then CO2 bond order is 2, and CO3 2 minus bond order is 1.33. So sequence will be CO having the maximum bond order, then CO2, then CO3. So maximum bond order of CO 3, and less bond order is CO3 2 minus. Now that we have already discussed, if suppose A double bond B, so A double bond B, A triple bond B, and A single bond B. If suppose here A double bond B, A double bond B, and triple bond B. So here bond order will be 3. Double bond, then bond order is 2. Single bond, then bond order is 1. So if you will observe all the 1 to 3 structure, then we can say that more is bond order, more is the overlapping. Here bond order is more, than more overlapping between two atoms, so bond length is decreased. So we can say that always we will derive this conclusion. Always what happen, bond order is proportional to 1 upon bond length. This is my conclusion. If bond order is greater, then bond length is decreased. If bond length is greater, then bond order is less. So bond order is proportional to 1 upon bond length, or inversely proportional of bond length. Why? Because more is bond order. If bond order is greater, then more is the overlapping between two atoms, so bond length is decreased. Okay, so by using this formula we will solve, or we will find the bond order in more than 20 electrons molecules. Thanks for watching this video.